Welcome to today's explainer. If you're a focused learner looking to, cut through all the noise and really grasp the mechanics of a modern digital business, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, our main goal is to completely demystify the low-risk, high-reward print-on-demand business model. And we're going to be looking at the absolute latest data and insights for 2026. We're going to look closely at what actually separates a struggling side hustle from a highly profitable, scalable operation. Okay, let's dive right into this. Our roadmap today covers 5 quick steps: the print-on-demand model, finding your profitable niche, formats that boost profits, building your POD store, and finally, marketing your new business. So I want you to think about this question for a second. How do you launch a retail business with zero inventory? I mean, traditionally, starting an online store meant taking on a massive amount of financial risk before you even made a single sale. You're buying boxes of product, you're renting warehouse space, spending a fortune up front. It's a lot. But the framework we're looking at today, it completely flips that old script. The answer is print on demand, or POD for short. In this low-risk business model, products are printed, packed, and shipped automatically by a supplier only after a customer actually places an order. So you design the product, you list it on your store, and when a buyer clicks purchase, your POD partner, companies like Printify or Merch One, they take over the whole shebang. This entirely removes the overhead costs of upfront inventory and, honestly, the daily headache of manual order management. It's a massive opportunity. But to succeed, you really need a strategy.
Section 1. The print-on-demand model. Section 2. Finding your profitable niche.
The biggest mistake new sellers make is trying to sell to everyone. If your target audience is everyone, well, your target audience is actually no one. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that the absolute top-tier niches, things like pet memorials and wedding personalization, they all rely on emotional, gift-driven purchasing behavior. Think about it. When someone is buying a memorial canvas for a beloved dog that just passed away, or a personalized map of where a couple got married, they aren't casually browsing for cheap deals. Emotional intent drastically reduces price sensitivity. And because of that reduced price sensitivity, look at this average order value, $50 to $95. That is huge. You aren't just scraping for pennies on a generic $10 t-shirt anymore. You're selling a premium keepsake. And here's the crazy part. It takes almost the exact same amount of effort to set up and sell a $95 canvas as it does a $10 tee. But this high AOV, that's exactly what gives your business the breathing room to actually grow and be highly profitable. Beyond those top 5, the 2026 data highlights a bunch of other highly profitable niches. We're talking mental health and self-care, hobby crafts, teacher appreciation, and even retirement milestones. Notice how hyper-specific these are? The golden rule here is that highly specific targeting literally always beats generic positioning. For example, a generalized pet lover canvas is going to struggle to compete, but a specific border collie memorial canvas, that perfectly captures a buyer searching for exactly that item.
Section 3. Formats that boost profits. In print-on-demand, what you print on is just as crucial to your success as the design you create. The 2026 market demands a real shift in thinking. The old method was all about competing on generic, cheap apparel, where shoppers just pinch pennies. But the modern reality? It's all about personalized home decor and gift-driven products. Items like custom canvas prints, premium framed posters, and personalized mugs command serious premium margins. The economics of a canvas print simply allow you to build a much healthier business than a basic cotton t-shirt.
Section 4. Building your POD store. Let's move to this next part and see how this all builds together into an actual business. So how do we actually make this happen? Printify outlines this incredibly clear 5-step blueprint to demystify the launch process. Step 1, you find that profitable niche we just discussed. Step 2, you create retail-ready designs using simple tools like Canva or maybe hiring a freelancer. Step 3, you choose your storefront platform. Step 4, you connect a supplier like Printify to automate the fulfillment. And Step 5, you market it. This framework really proves that anyone with a bit of focus and dedication can execute this business model. Looking a little closer at Step 3, choosing where to sell, you have some fantastic options. Beginners often prefer the built-in audience of marketplaces like Etsy. People are already on there actively searching for personalized gifts, and it usually costs around $50 a month or less to run. But if you want full brand-level control, Shopify is a powerful choice.
TikTok Shop is huge for viral demand, or if you want something incredibly simple, hosted storefronts like the Printify pop-up store make getting started almost effortless. And of course, there are custom sites like WooCommerce, Wix, or Squarespace if you want to go that route.
Section 5. Marketing your new business. Okay, so you have a great niche, beautiful product formats, and a fully automated store. Now, we just need to bring eager customers to your newly built products. The data on 2026 marketing tactics is crystal clear here. Short-form video on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels is absolutely dominating. And honestly, the best part? You don't need a massive ad budget. Simply showing your behind-the-scenes design process or how the product is packaged can achieve massive watch rates entirely for free. Combine that with solid SEO, affiliate marketing partnerships, and user-generated content from happy customers, and you have a bulletproof marketing engine.
Now, timing is everything. So the crucial point is that while evergreen niches like weddings and new babies sell consistently year-round, the Q4 holiday spike is where massive profit happens. But listen, you absolutely cannot wait until November to start. You must prepare and list your holiday gift products 60 to 90 days before that peak demand hits. That kind of preparation is exactly what separates the professionals from the amateurs.
I want to conclude the core lesson of this explainer with a really grounding thought. Most successful POD businesses don't blow up overnight. They improve gradually. While this business model removes the huge risk of upfront inventory, it definitely still requires you to act like a true business owner. Consistency, relentlessly testing new designs, and deeply understanding your specific audience's desires, that is the true, realistic path to building a lasting inventory-free empire. Which leaves us with one final, incredibly important question for you to answer right now. What will your niche be? The tools are available, the fulfillment is completely automated, and the roadmap is laid out right in front of you. All that's left is for you to decide who you want to serve, take immediate action, and start your own entrepreneurial journey today. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy building.